So here we are at Dice Tower East 2024, and we're about to play this game. And I figure let me share it with you because this is a game that's just not around anymore, right? StarFall by Scott Almes, a game of clever astronomy, and it's pretty simple. You got this little board, right? So it's sort of a bidding game. You got these tiles, a bunch of these tiles. Let me turn them over for you. You got to shuffle them and put them face down, and each player is going to take one without looking at it and put it at the highest value, which is, this is upside down, right? So it would be a 9 here, a 9. You get these stars at the beginning. These are 1s, the orange are 5s, okay? And this is your scoring, right? At the end of the game, if you have most stars, and that's most stars like on these things, right? You get 10 points. Least stars is -5. For each planet, it's 5 points each. For each moon, it's 3 points, but you must have a planet, okay? So there's a planet with a moon, but here's just a moon without a planet, right? For each black hole, it's -5 points. But if you have 2 black holes, it's 15 points. So you can see how the bidding here can get competitive. The comets, and this is points for each, right? Here's a comet here in this tile. If you have 1 comet, it's worth 3 points. 2 comets, 4 points each. 3, 5 points each, and so on, as you can see there. And this was a misprint that came out on most games, right? So you get different color clouds, and they're 2 points each for every different color. Here's a blue cloud, here's a red cloud, right? So you get 2 points each for each cloud, but here it should be 2, 3, 4, 5, not 3, 4, 5, 5, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you get you get 2 points for each different color cloud, but then you get this bonus. If you have 2 different colors, it's 4 points bonus, right? If you have 3, so like I said, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you have 3 here, it's 9 points bonus. If you have 4, it's 16. If you have 5, it's 25. That was a misprint in these games. And then here, if you have any of these little stars left, it's 1 point for every 2 stardust value at game's end, okay? But the bidding here goes like that. So one player takes this, they have to put it in there in the highest, all right? And then the next player may move this, so now that tile's worth 8. Maybe the player after that will move it to 7. But then when it comes back to me, I might, I can't put it here, I can't put it there, I got to put it at the highest value. So then the next player may want to put another tile, and they'll have to go to the highest available value, which is right there. And then it's another player's turn. They can move this one to that spot. You cannot have more than 3. So another player could not put another one here, right? You cannot have more than 3 tiles. So then it keeps going like that. One player might do this, and then the other player has to move that there, and then the following player can move that there. But as you can see, it lowers the value. Now that tile is worth 4 of these points, stars here that you can pay for. If you pay for it, you pay with the stars, and you take the tile and you keep it, right? And then at the end of the game, when I think the end of the game is when there's 1 tile left or something. Whenever there's only 1 sky tile left on the board and none available in the draw pile, the game ends immediately. So then you'll have a few of these, right? And you'll see what your score is, and that's it. And that's StarFall, and I figure I'd show it to you because it just hasn't been around. And I think it's a pretty cool game, and we have fun playing it. So there you have it.